Like I was saying, that thing we made. I put it into a song.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
As an intro?
No. So it's like a half. It's like it's in the middle of the song, but it's like you do it twice.
It's in the very middle.
It's in the middle and the end. Near the end.
Before the right now?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. Right? Sweet or no?
Pretty sweet.
It's pretty sweet.
Poop does smell.
I believe I heard it, but I hope they didn't hear it.
Poop don't stink.
Look at my eye. Ho ho ho, Santa's gotta go. Give me doing the reindeer thing. Wait, hold on. Have you been a good little boy? Well, I hope so, or you'll get one of these. What did he do? He was like, Santa's reindeer.
Yeah. Pretty much.
It's so weird looking at myself.
Do you like it?
Like, hold on.
Like, I love.
Where's the clamp at? Hold on, where'd the clamp go? Alright, this has to work.
Facebook.
Woody's. This is Matt Barker. Woody edition. Except for this Woody doll has more facial hair than Barker has in his whole life. Down.
Facebook.
Bye bye.